wrongfully evicted in court and harassed by roommates for 2 years. On May 29, 2022, I relocated to a room at 74 Greenleaf Circle in Framingham, rented with the assistance of Saint Vincent of Paul. This move represented a fresh start for me, following a challenging period marked by a divorce and the COVID era. Upon moving in, I was given a key holder for the front door, adorned with a Christian symbol of the cross, mirroring the cross that decorated the dining room entrance. My housemates included the couple Gustavo Mota and Neuza Souza, and their younger daughter Camila, who was studying to become a nurse. A few days after moving in, I received my bedroom door key, which they claimed had been misplaced. However, my hope for a peaceful life was shattered on June 3, 2022. Around noon that day, Neuza followed me from our home to the train station across town. When I stopped for a snack due to a delayed train, she sarcastically offered me a ride. Despite seeking help from the police, they claimed they were unable to assist. This incident marked the beginning of a 2-year period of harassment, with Neuza persistently following me and even involving friends and neighbors in her campaign. On July 17, 2022, my housemates attempted to forcibly evict me. Neuza, Gustavo, Camila, and her boyfriend William replaced the front door lock with a smart lock, rendering my key useless. As I dialed 911, Camila physically restrained me by holding my bedroom door against my body. Despite the severity of this incident, they denied it ever occurred, fearing that Camila could lose her nursing certification. On February 8, 2023, around 6:10 p.m., their lawyer, Tom Acton, entered my bedroom without my consent while I was in bed, underdressed. This invasion of privacy occurred because I did not want to open the door for him due to feeling unwell. Despite Neuza's attempts to legally evict me, she only rents the house and does not own it. I never refused to pay her, but she declined to accept payments. She also lacks a contract authorizing her to rent other rooms in the house for profit. Despite these circumstances, I have paid use and occupancy fees since the judge allowed me to do so, after they refused my payments. I have even paid the use and occupancy fee for July 2024. She filed a second eviction case against me, without a legal cause. On July 2, 2024, Judge Sergio Carvajal issued a judgment for execution and possession in favor of Neuza. Following this, 1. On July 2, 2024, the court entered a judgment for eviction against me. 2. On July 11, 2024, I filed a notice of appeal to challenge the eviction judgment. 3. On the same day, I also requested a stay of execution, explaining that the eviction would cause severe hardship and that the execution should not be carried out before July 13, 2024, to comply with the legal waiting period. 4. The court denied my request for a stay on July 11, 2024. Despite having a notice of appeal filed, the judge denied my request for a stay and ignored the incorrect timeline. By law, I should have had until Monday, July 15, to vacate the house, even without a stay. However, I was evicted from my residence on Friday, July 12, 2024, at 1 p.m., which was the 10th day after the judgment, violating the legal requirement to wait 10 full days before eviction. I only noticed this timing error after the eviction occurred on July 12, 2024. My landlord/roommate, who does not own the property, has previously attempted to evict me by force, involving her family in these attempts. I have already filed civil complaints against her for these actions. Legal errors. 1. Premature execution of eviction. According to Massachusetts law, the landlord must wait until the 11th day after the judgment to obtain an execution for possession. The eviction carried out on the 10th day, July 12, 2024, was premature and in violation of the legal waiting period. 2. Denial of stay request. The court's denial of my request for a stay, not recognizing that the eviction would occur on the 10th day and on a Friday, constitutes a significant error. Immediate harm and injustice. The eviction has caused severe and immediate harm, leaving me without shelter or support. This ordeal represents a clear case of discrimination and corruption. These individuals investigated my life and persecuted me because I am poor and because of my faith. I am a middle-aged immigrant woman, alone with no one to help and nowhere to live. What have I done to deserve this?